Check it out, guys. I'm out here with the HOLYTON HT25. Wow, it's a real gem. It's a real beauty, as Steve would say. Let's turn the power on this sucker. It's waiting. We're gonna fire up some video. This thing has video, believe it or not. Okay, so let's do the level calibration, which we just did. Let's see if we can start some video, which we just did. And let's take off, which we just did. All right. Let's get back here. Okay, it's got 2 rates. We got the video going at least. Oh yeah, look at that thing go. Oh yeah, love it. Oh yeah, this thing flies great, guys. I think I did a little shorts video on it like a year ago, and then, you know, it just got put off on the back burner. I never got a chance to come out and fly it because, you know, I had to move and do all that stuff, and the motorcycles and the e-bikes, and wow, this thing's great. What a great little flyer this thing is. Wow. Holy cow. Yeah, this is definitely a must-have for a little toy drone. Absolutely. Wow, look at this thing go. Oh, I know what happened. In the time I was gone to move and do all that other mumbo jumbo, that's enough of video. I'm gonna cut the video just so it doesn't get lost. Okay, so we got the video saved at least. The batteries went bad on it. That's right, I had to order a battery. It was real cheap. It was like $6 or $7 from Amazon. That's right, both of the batteries swelled up and went bad just by sitting and nothing happening. So I had to wind up doing that. Now, supposedly it has a flip, so let's see if it'll do it. I do know one thing, the trim is all out of whack. I do know that, okay? So I am landing it, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart it because the trim, it got so bad it wouldn't pull back. It would only go forward, so I know where that was gonna go. I know what was gonna go down there, right? We all know what was gonna be happening there. Because it still says that the battery's full. So we're gonna shut it off. Shut that off. I'm not using the app anymore anyway, so who cares about that? So we'll just set that off to the side. Okay, so it's still going. Just got a little booger in there when I tried to do that flip. Yep, it does something about the hitting the flip button. It makes it go kind of goofy. So I don't know why that's doing that, but who knows? Maybe it's just a bad circuitry or something, right? I mean, you just never know. I will tell you one thing: it flies fantastically. So I'll give it that. I had to dodge that thing here for a second. I wasn't sure. Wow, very nice flying drone, guys. Wow, great stuff, man. Great stuff. Let's land it up and get out of here. I still got, what, three bars left on there. You see that right there, it's still showing 3 bars. It caught my finger, but it didn't hurt any, so who cares, right? Alright guys, there you go. There you go, the HOLYTON. It's a legend. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.